I know there's a lot of noises out there about our Grammys and the team itself. But, you know, why give a shit about it? Hating is their freedom, and they have their right to hate, but if it was me, I'd rather just talk with my friends in some cafe or like forget about it, but rather than tweeting about it or some interview, I won't do that, because I'm grown up. But anyway, we didn't come to Vegas for the Grammys. We came to Vegas for the Army, right? And, the record, the title, the accomplishments, the trophies, they're really important, but that wasn't the first thing, the first reason why we started all these things, right? These 2 hours, communion, energy, eye to eye, singing along, dancing together, this communication, this is everything. This is why we're doing this, right? I hope you know it. I love you. I let the haters hate. I let the lovers love. I always say, peace.